Leading up to the holidays, people often get busy touching up scuff paint around the house. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a way to avoid making a bigger mess right after this.
Even if you're not a professional woodworker, you want to use the glue the pros use. And 3 out of 4 pro woodworkers trust Titebond as their choice. For building wood furniture or cabinets, to making picture frames or birdhouses, or just general repairs around the house, Titebond has the widest choice of glues to help with whatever project you want to tackle. Titebond, the right glue for your next project. Just ask the pros. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
When we know company's coming, we all tend to want to spruce up things a bit. So this time of the year, a lot of people are touching up paint inside their home. You know, the door frame that the dog scratches while he's waiting to get out, the scuffs along the baseboard, and other minor repairs. Well, for small jobs like this, people often forego drop cloths. But setting an open paint can on finished floors or countertops is asking for trouble. So try this. Set your paint can inside a larger empty bucket that's clean on the bottom. Not only will the bucket catch any drips coming off the can, it will also give you a handy place to store a cleanup rag and a safe place to rest your brush. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.